Today I'm going to teach you how to set up a Gmail SMTP server. This is essential if you want to send emails through third-party apps or email clients using your Gmail account, and it's a crucial step for anyone managing email automation or client communications. Let's start by opening your web browser and typing mail.google.com into the address bar. This will take you directly to your Gmail inbox. Once you're there, look to the top right corner of your screen where you'll see your profile picture. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Manage Your Google Account. This will open up your account settings where we'll configure the necessary security features. In your Google account dashboard, you'll notice a left sidebar with several options. Click on Security. This section houses all the settings related to protecting your account and managing how you sign in. Now scroll down until you find the section labeled Signing In to Google. Here you'll see an option called Two-Step Verification. Click on it. If you haven't enabled this feature yet, you'll see a button that says Turn On. Click it and follow the prompts to activate two-step verification. This is a required step for SMTP setup because it adds an extra layer of security to your account. After you've enabled two-step verification, go back to the top of your screen and use the search bar to look for app passwords. Click on it when it appears. This feature allows you to create specific passwords for apps that need to access your Gmail account without using your main password. You'll be asked to create an app name. You can type something like SMTP or email client to keep it organized. Once you click Create, Google will generate a unique 16-character password for you. Make sure to copy this password immediately, as you won't be able to see it again. Now, open your email client or the application where you want to configure outgoing mail. Navigate to the SMTP settings section and enter the following details. For the SMTP server, type smtp.gmail.com. For the port, use 465 if you're using SSL or 587 if you're using TLS. Make sure authentication is set to Yes. In the username field, enter your full Gmail address, like your name agmail.com. In the password field, paste that 16-character app password you just generated. Finally, set the encryption to either SSL or TLS, depending on which port you chose. Once you've entered all these details, save the settings. To confirm everything is working correctly, send a test email. If it goes through, your Gmail SMTP server is now successfully set up and ready to use. Thanks for watching.